Chanakya once said, "Money comes and goes, so is the youth. Life goes and goes the soul. Nothing lasts forever. The only thing that stays firm is your faith." Have faith in yourself. Work hard and manifest the things that you want. Consider a world in which you don't have to constantly stress about money. You have enough money to cover your bills, your routine costs, and your hobby and all the other expenses. Just have faith in yourself and listen to these 5 points in this video that are inspired by the book Chanakya Niti, which will definitely help you have the mentality of a financially successful person. First, planning is the key. Like Benjamin Franklin said, by failing to prepare, you prepare to fail. Chanakya Niti states that if you have a well-prepared financial situation, even with what little you have, you are preparing yourself for the future success. For instance, planning for the worst, such as saving a small amount of your earning for emergency finances, because we can never be certain about the future. We can always be optimistic, but that doesn't mean we can't plan for the future. Keeping an emergency fund can enable you to make more rational decisions at troubling times, since you have one less problem to worry about, and because of that, you will take better financial decisions because you were initially prepared for it and you have planned for it. Second point, have a clear goal and be guided by it. Chanakya puts it very poetically. If you want milk, then why will you buy an elephant? Always remember, if you go to work on your goals will go to work for you. If you go to work on your plan will go to work on you. Whatever good things we build end up building us. Setting a clear goal for your financial situation is very important. You may plan as much as you want, but it will remain irrelevant unless you quantify it. Give it a number. If you want to establish an emergency fund, but don't give it some random figures. If you want to establish an emergency fund, conduct research, examine your earning and spending, and make the appropriate decision, because no one can assist you in successfully leading a fulfilled life, and most individuals can just guide you. However, you yourself are the person who should take this leap of faith. Third point, you don't have to touch the fire to feel the heat. Personally, this is the point that I resonate with the most, because this is the point that I don't think so everyone would tell you, but this is a very important one. So listen closely. Be vigilant, be observant, and learn from the mistakes of others. You may learn a lot more by merely mastering the art of observation. In the case of finance, if you identify an opportunity to invest your money and earn more money, look at what others are doing and see what they have done and learn from their missteps before you make an approach towards that financial decision. You don't have to make the same mistake and pay the same prices all over again like they did. Why take the risk at all if you have witnessed the individuals consistently losing their money in one particular area? In management and as in investment, lessons have a huge price and are best learned by observing. The fourth point, avoid too much of everything. I know you have clicked on this video to learn ways to earn money, but here I am quoting Chanakya, who said just the opposite. It is true that you need money to be financially successful, but don't let it decide your outcome. Don't let it decide the outcome of your life. Don't let money control you, but be mindful. Know when to pause and access the situation before it becomes too late. Remember, too much beauty got Sita kidnapped, too much ego got Ravana killed, and too much charity got Raja Bali in deep trouble. So, too much of anything is bad. One should refrain from anything that is too much. If you want to know more about Ramayana or Onam, click the I button on the top right corner of the screen. Now, let's go to the last and the final point, and it's very simple. Work hard, and work hard. Hard work triumphs everything. It always and always boils down to hard work, patience, and dedication. The world's most successful people are extremely meticulous and hardworking. This is simple and there is no alternative to hard work. You must read extensively, gather a wealth of knowledge, absorb and synthesize the information, and then apply to that in your financial situation. And once you do it, you will master your financial goals. Remember, learning never stops, and neither does the possibility to make more money by acquiring more skills. I know it is difficult, and that's why it's called hard work, not easy work. It's hard, that's why not everyone is doing. It is a full-time job, and there is no alternative to hard work. These 5 points by Chanakya are some mind-blowing examples that are simple yet profound lessons for everyone. This is the best that I could bring forward to you, because I always like to combine the best of India's traditional wisdom with the modern art. If you want to learn more about India's ancient wisdom, listen to these 2 videos. That will help you appreciate our Vedic teaching even more. Until then, take care of yourself and your surrounding as we strive to make the world a more better, peaceful and loving place. Thank you.